Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about how to use the string module in our Python program. See, in string module, we can have some constants related to the strings that we can use in our program. Let's see. See, the Python has a module by the name of string. Module name is string. That comes with many constants in the class. The constants that refers about what some of the what the keywords that we are using now, like we can use this the identifier, that is a constant value that can be used along with our string name, that is using the dot operator that will perform some operation in our program. So here that comes with many constant and classes. Okay, it also offers a utility function capwords. Capwords is a function that is available in string module. Not like the other string function what we discussed earlier. This capword function has to be used along with the module name string. So now we can discuss about this one. First, to use these constants in our program, we must import the module called string. So the first line should be of what? Import string module. See here, what are the constants are available in our string module? First one, the string dot ASCII letters. So it return what and all the ASCII characters which is available in our Python program to use. Okay, so the string ASCII letters which used to give alphabetical letters, maybe the capital or the lowercase. Both the characters which is available in this letters alphabets A to Z small and A to Z capital will be written by the constant called what is string dot ASCII letters. Then next ASCII lowercase. Here we have to use underscore in between ASCII and lowercase word. ASCII string dot ASCII underscore lowercase. It written only the lowercase letters from A to Z. So this will be the result of this constant, string constant. Like that, string dot ASCII underscore uppercase. Uppercase will return what are the ASCII characters available in alphabetical uppercase, that is capital A to capital Z. String dot digits. The digits which used by our user are the what type of digit numbers? These are all what are decimal numbers what we are using. So 0 to 9. In computer we can use 4 different number system: binary number, octal number, hexadecimal number and decimal number. Here the digits will return only the decimal number from 0 to 9 which can be used in our program. Next, hexadecimal number. What are the hexadecimal number? 0 to 9, the 10 numbers, and the alphabet 6 characters can be the hexadecimal number. Yes, the alphabet can be the lowercase or it can be the uppercase. So these all can be available in hexadecimal number. What and all the hexadecimal digits? Here we are having the constant hex digits, hexadecimal number 0 to 9 as well as 6 characters of alphabets. This 6 characters may be the lowercase or it can be the uppercase. So these are the collective letters are available in the string. It's called what is string dot hex digit. String dot octal number, octal digit, which can be the octal digit only 0 to 8, that is 7 up to 7. Okay, so 0 to 7, totally 8 numbers are called what? Octal numbers. This alone can be used as a octal value. String punctuation, you know the punctuation marks which used to determine some termination, some calculation, like these are the symbols. The special characters are called as what? The punctuation marks. So those the punctuation can be used in our Python program will be listed here with the constant of string dot punctuation. Now we have one function called what? String dot capwords. Capwords is a function which used to capitalize each word in the string. We can have one statement or one paragraph, like whatever it may be. Among those words, each of the word will be capitalized by this capwords function. Here the capword function having 2 arguments of one is a string which we want to make a capitalize of each and every word. The another one is the separator. How we are using in our print function now, that's the separator. The separator can be any character or set of character like that. here we are not specify the separator will treat as a space bar. If we specifies that can be that the particular character can be the separator of each and every string word. Next to that the particular separator character what we are giving, that will be capitalized here. I hope that you able to understand this one. Let's see the example of this string constants. After importing string module, we can give string.ascii letters. You can have all these uppercase and lowercase alphabets. Next, string.digits, you can have the numbers 0 to 9. String.ascii uppercase, you can get only the alphabetical of a capital letters. String.punctuation will display the characters which and all can be used in our Python program other than the letters and the numbers. So these are the characters are called special characters or the symbols. Okay, now see the cap word function. This cap words function which can have a collection of string. The string can have the escape sequence, the backslash values also. Okay, now here it is a name of the string line. Line is the string which have, this is a symbol line, then the separator backslash n and new line is there. Now we are going to use the function string dot cap words. Of the string what we are going to change, it is capital word that has to be given inside the function, that is the line. Okay, now you can get the result as each word, this T is I, A, symbol S, line L. Here the backslash n, that is other than the space of the other line, if we are not specifying a separator, everything will be treated as a small space. It will not come to the next line. It will treat these of the space separator also as a single space and make it as a single space. New L become capital. Thank you, children.